This is the Allegheny River in Pennsylvania. And that's probably hunting in the background. Let's zoom in at the river down there.
What if I just jump off?
Cheese. Cheese. Wow. Yeah, we got the Allegheny River down there in Pennsylvania. Look at that view. Cheese. Get a little closer one right there. Okay. Wow. Wow.
Hey, come here.
Kennardell. That's what this is called, Kennardell. Overlooking the Allegheny River. Look how tiny his boat is down there from this height.
What? Where are you?
A little pontoon.
No, I don't even know where you are.
Okay, we're down here by Freedom Falls, near Pittsville, Pennsylvania. There's a nice waterfall down here. There's also like a furnace thing and a tunnel. If we walk far enough, we'll run into the Allegheny River. Nice rock formations. Well, in the one video they had a lot of water coming through, but it hasn't really rained much. So we got a little bit of water action there. It looks like you can swim in there because it's nice and deep. That's what we're going to go check out. It's really nice here. Cheese. Gianna. Cheese. I can't see. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Gianna,
Oh, rock.
in the car, I thought you said you never lie. I didn't say I never lie. I said I don't lie a lot. I'm not gonna lie.
There's the Rockland furnace, smelting furnace. You can go inside of there. That's what I'm about to do and check that out.
The girl was pointing at you.
What girl? Bro, I don't care.
Wow. Come on, let me see. That's rude.
You know how many lights is on you?
Cheese. Ooh. It's wild.
Go up in there, Stu.
Huh?
I'd rather not.
Go in there.
I'd rather not.
Wow. Look at this thing.
There's a big spider that's coming in to get you.
Heck? What? Look at that. I'm inside a furnace. Cheese? Cheese? Oops. Cheese. People were jumping in the water right there, doing cannonballs. Right where you are, they were just jumping right into the center. Huh? They were jumping to the center here. Like they were more in the middle there and they were jumping into the center. Probably like from there and jumping in. But you're standing on a ledge. You could do a cannonball. How deep?
Like, it probably goes below my head, or like above my head.
Wow.
In the center area.
Freedom Falls.
I don't want to walk up the edge. We're up like here, I think.
Wow.
Yeah. I can't touch anymore. But he's like, he's freezing. He's like ice. There's nothing to do right here. Right here. What about it? You don't want to drive it for me?
check out this tunnel. Let's see. Ooh. Some kind of tunnel. Let's go see what this is about. Tunnel right on the side of through the side of the foothill. This is called the Rockland Tunnel. We already seen the Rockland Furnace, which was cool. That was that thing. They built it a long time ago. So they had the. Oh wow, there was a whole structure that was part of it. Wow. Look at that. It's cool. So they filled that thing up with like melted metal or something, that whole thing. It's wild. And this is about the Rockland Tunnel, which we're about to go through. Allegheny Valley Railroad went through here. Wow. It's like pitch black in there though. Who's going in that? Maybe there's a ghost train that comes through here. A train went through here years ago. I can't see anything.
It's shiny. The ground is shiny.
Man, are we far in this tunnel? All the way back here. Thank you. Might be one of the coolest things I found yet.
It's probably like 20 feet wide and 25 feet tall.
It's huge. It had a accommodated giant, like big steam train.
Hey, look at the wall over there.
Graffiti. Where I still don't see the light.
I see it.
It's so like far. That's far.
We're like underneath.
That's gotta be far because you can see our light perfect like that.
That's crazy.
Wait, does it go down?
Finally to the other end of this tunnel. Probably took a good 10 minutes or so to walk through. And the reason you can't see the other end is because there's a little bend in the tunnel. So that's why you can't see the other end of it. That's amazing. Wow. Why's it got a door? That's.
Was it the garage?
Why is this a garage? This is weird. What the heck?
I use blue snake.
What the? Oh wow. Oh, we're still by the river?
How do you still get flash on?
Wow. Can't zoom it back in anymore. I can see it. So this side of the tunnel, they got a garage door. And we're right next to the Allegheny River over here. I'm gonna go take a peek at it. Some kind of stone structure. Oh, we're so pretty high up this river thing here. That's the Allegheny River.